Hello primary 3, Miss Ella is talking to you. And today our lesson is talking about the water cycle in nature. We all know that water is important for all living organisms to survive. So the water goes through a cycle to be constantly available. There are three processes in a water cycle that the water goes through. Let's start with the first process. It's called evaporation, a process that happens when the sun heats the surface of water bodies like seas and oceans. Some of the water changes to vapor mixing with air and raise up. Process number 2 is condensation, a process that happens when the air cools down and water vapor condenses back into water droplets, which collect to form clouds. The process number 3 is precipitation. It's a process that happens when water droplets in a cloud fall as rain, fresh water, and if air is cold, they fall as snow. Now, time for exercises. Question number 1. Put a tick on the correct answer. Number 1 is the source of heat that causes evaporation of water. Is it heater, refrigerator, or sun? Very good, it's sun. Number 2. Converts water into vapor, gas, and raises up. Is it cooling, heating? No correct answer. Excellent, is it heating? Number 3 is the process which turns water to vapor. Is it evaporation, or condensation, or precipitation? Well done. Evaporation. Number 4. The water condenses due to heating, cooling. No correct answer. Very good. Due to cooling. Number 5 is the process which turns vapor to water. Is it evaporation, condensation, precipitation? Yeah, very good. It's condensation. Question number 2. Write the process. We will read the choices, then we will answer. We have evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Let's read the process number 1. A process that happens when the air cools down back into water droplets which collect to form clouds. Which one? Is it evaporation, or condensation, or precipitation? Very good, it's condensation. Here, number 2. A process that happens when water droplets in the cloud fall as rain, fresh water. Is it evaporation, or condensation, or precipitation? Well done, it's precipitation. And the last one, a process that happens when the sun heats seas and oceans. Some of the water changes to vapor and raise up. Which one? It's evaporation. Very good. We finished our lesson today. See you in another lesson. Bye.